For Boothby.
Thank you, Mr Deputy Speaker. Wheat is Australia's second largest export, and all the indications are that 2013 will be a bumper harvest. And I want to take this opportunity to remember one of the individuals whose generosity has done so much to make Australia competitive in this area. I was recently able to attend the Waite Centenary dinner at Erbray House on the 6th of November. Peter Waite gave the University of Adelaide South Australia's largest ever individual bequest in 1913, where he gave large portions of his property to the University of Adelaide. The Waite Agricultural Research Institute was established on this land in 1924, and since then the Waite campus has built an international reputation for its strengths in plant science and breeding, particularly cereal crops, landscape and soil science, and wine and viticultural research. People who are involved in the agricultural research area tell me that the Waite Research Institute stands with University of California, Davis as the two premier agricultural research institutes in the world. The partners for Waite include the University of Adelaide, the CSIRO, the South Australian Research and Development Institute, the Australian Centre for Plant Functional Genomics, the Australian Plant Phenomics Facility, also known as the Plant Accelerator, Australian Grains Technology, ARIS, the ARC Centre of Excellence in Plant Cell Walls, Food SA, the Australian Wine Research Institute, and the Australian Genome Research Facility Limited. Waite represents a premier example of a cluster, and that hosting all those organisations really does foster innovation. There are 12 world-class researcher organisations and centres on the 300-acre site. There are 1,100 research and technical staff, including a very strong component of international PhD students and postdoctoral students. 845 research and ag students. They spend $100 million on research each year. There's $265 million there of research and teaching infrastructure, and 80% of southern Australian cereal production comes from Waite-developed varieties. There's also significant infrastructure, including the state-of-the-art Plant Accelerator. In 1913, Peter Waite wrote to the SA Premier offering his land, and he said, "We've now reached a point where it behoves us to call science to our aid to a greater extent than hitherto has been done. Otherwise, we cannot hope to keep in the forefront." Waite today is an excellent facility. The precinct is world renowned, and I'm very pleased to commemorate this centenary of the Waite bequest.